Hi, my name is Adriana Cardoso Espinosa and today I'm going to show you the program that I developed for teaching preposition of place. During the period, I will develop a blog in which all the students must upload their task in order to provide them meaningful feedback from me and from their classmates. The main idea is that the students will have access to the blog at any time of the week so that they will be in continual learning process. Also, if they have some doubts about the class of the day, in the blog they will find some relevant information about it. As I mentioned before, the topic that I choose is preposition of place. I will use videos that explain the uses of prepositions. I will also like to develop role-playing games. The aim will be the development of the ability of acquiring an oral message and the development of the ability of producing an oral message. The objective to practice preposition and to reinforce the use of prepositions. The procedures. I will divide the class into groups. Then I will provide students with the material resources, cards, worksheets, scissors. Students cut out the cards and shuffle each stack of black and white cards separately. Students put a black preposition card with a white object card and form sentences. The feedback: one student from every group comes to the board and writes some sentences they have formed using the prepositional phrases. I will also like to use board games online. I will use a video game to show the students a board game online in a wall screen. The aim, the development of the ability of producing an oral message. The objective, to practice preposition of place. The task, make up sentences according to the picture using the preposition of place. Procedures. I will divide the class into groups. Students choose a counter and go to in turns roll the online dice and go forward. When they land on a square, they have to make up sentences according to the picture using the preposition of place. If the answer is correct, they move ahead 2 more spaces. The feedback: the students will have to say the sentences. I will also like to use mind maps. The aim will be the development of the ability of acquiring an oral message and the development of the ability of producing an oral message. The objective, to practice preposition and to review the prepositions and prepositional phrases. The task, to create a mind map in Go Conquer. The procedures. Individually, the students will create a mind map explaining the most relevant information about preposition, giving examples of any of the prepositions shown in the map. The feedback: the students come to the board and write the prepositional phrases or sentences. As a final exam, I would like to that the students create a video. So, the students will have to record a video in which they will have to show us an image. After that, the student will make up sentences according to the picture using the preposition of place. By using this method, I want to check the students' abilities of using prepositions after having taught by using different methods during the period. Thank you.